Wow.
Hello?
What is your name?
My name is Yuvan Marasani.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
You are the youngest person ever on Canada's Got Talent.
Yes.
So, Yuvan, what is your job?
My job is to sing.
Oh.
Do you know what you might do with $1 million?
I will buy a big ambulance.
Oh! Yuvan,
Do it.
it is time to hear you sing!
Vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Vacation, if you don't like a life, then you should go and change it. Everybody shower like a lemon tea. I'm just mine down upon my
Enemy.
Put a sit or love it on the daily. Say what's your job, but it never leave. But Dad's gonna be me, Dad's gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he's on me on TV. I said I would be easy for an LMB. Easy for the scissors from the ground, I film it. And say, too greasy for me. Every single day, every single day.
Enemy.
Every single day, every single day.
Wow.
Yuvan!
I thought it was amazing. Is this the most fun you've ever had?
Yeah,
Is this the $1 million season?
yeah,
Do you think you're gonna win an ambulance?
yeah.
Do you want us to vote now? Do you want us
Yeah.
to vote?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want us to say?
He did a great job.
Okay, I'll start with that. He did a great job, so I'm giving him his first yes.
You get a yes from me.
All
Yeah.
right.
You know what you get from me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And to end it off, you're gonna get a big yes, sir!
More yeses.
Good job, Yuvan. Good
You
job,
did it,
buddy.
Yuvan! Congratulations!
I'll tell Dad what just happened.
Nice, Yuvan!